Exchanging a wrong jacket size.
Hello, I need some help.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I ordered a jacket online.
Great. Did you bring the jacket with you?
Yes, here it is.
May I see the receipt too?
Of course. Here is the receipt.
Thank you. What is the problem?
This jacket is too large for me.
What size did you order?
I ordered a small.
Let me check the tag inside. This tag says medium.
This is not my order.
I am sorry about that.
Can I exchange it for a small?
Yes, I can help with that. Do you want the same color?
Yes, the same color, please.
Please wait a moment. Here is a small size jacket.
Thank you. This looks good.
You are very welcome.
I will try it on. Thanks again.
Meeting a friend but forgetting their name.
Hi, it is you.
Hello, Nina.
How are you today?
I am well. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you here for a walk?
Yes, I like this park.
Me too. It is quiet here.
You come here often?
Yes, 2 times a week.
That is nice. It is good to relax.
Yes, it is good after work.
Where do you work now?
I work at the library.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yes, I love books.
That is so good. Sorry, I feel silly now.
Why do you feel silly, Nina?
I forgot your name for a moment.
It is Carla. Do not worry.
Carla! Of course, Carla!
It can happen to anyone.
Thank you for being kind.
You are always my friend.
Do you want to sit with me?
Yes, I would like that.
A neighbor asks for a tool.
Hello, Daniel. Do you have a moment?
Hi, Nina. Yes, I am free now.
That is good to hear. How are you today?
I am well. It is a nice day.
Daniel, I have a question for you.
Sure. What is it?
I need a hammer. My chair is loose.
A hammer. I may have one.
I looked, but I do not have any tools at home.
No problem. Let me check my toolbox.
Thank you, Daniel. You are very kind.
I try to help my neighbors when I can.
That is nice of you. You help often?
Sometimes, yes. People ask for things.
Maybe I ask too much now.
No, you do not. It is fine.
Is your toolbox heavy?
A little. I keep it by the door.
That is smart. It is ready to use then.
Yes, I found the hammer now.
Oh, thank you for finding it.
Here you go. Please be careful.
I will take care of it. Thank you so much.
You are welcome, Nina. I am glad to help.
I will bring it back later.
No hurry. Have a good afternoon.
You too. Bye, Daniel.
Bye, Nina. See you soon.
A student cannot find their bus pass.
It is so quiet this morning.
Yes, it is. I like it.
The bus should come soon.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I always use the bus.
Do you have your bus pass ready?
Let me check my bag. It is not in my small pocket. Maybe it is in the other side. No, I do not see it here.
Did you check your jacket?
Nothing in my jacket pockets.
When did you last see it?
I used it last night after class.
Did you go anywhere else then?
Just home, I think.
Maybe it is at home.
But I need it for the bus now.
Do you have coins or a card?
Oh, my wallet has my old bus card.
That is good. You can use that.
Yes, I almost forgot about it.
Do not worry. You are fine now.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day, Sonia.
You too, David.
Talking about sitting outside in rain.
Do you want to sit outside?
But it is raining now.
I really like the fresh air.
You do not mind the rain?
If it is not too heavy, I do not mind.
I think the chairs are wet.
Maybe they will dry soon.
The sky looks very gray.
It feels nice out there sometimes.
I do not like getting my coat wet.
I can wait a bit.
Maybe we can check later.
Do you ever sit outside in the rain?
Only at home, on my balcony.
That sounds nice.
Yes, with tea and a good book.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, but it is small.
Maybe we can use it.
We may still get wet.
I just want some fresh air.
You really like being outside.
The rain is stopping now.
Yes, I can see the sun a little.
Should we try to go out now?
Yes, let us check the chairs.
I will bring some napkins to dry them.
Thank you, Mark.
You are welcome, Julia.
Talking about lunch plans at work.
Are you hungry yet, James?
Yes, I am. Lunch sounds good.
Do you want to eat together?
Yes, let us go together.
Where should we go?
Maybe the new cafe?
What kind of food is there?
I think they have pasta and soup.
I like pasta. Is it far?
No, it is close. 2 blocks.
Do you know if it is busy?
I am not sure now.
Do we need a table fast?
We can try. Or do you prefer somewhere quiet?
Quiet is nice, but I want to try the cafe.
Let us give it a chance then.
Do you want to leave now?
Wait, what about Anna? She likes to join us.
Should I message her?
Yes, please. She might want to come.
Anna says she cannot come.
All right, just us then.
That is fine with me.
Great, I am ready now.
Let us go eat lunch.
Yes, I am hungry.
Checking in at the wrong hotel.
Good afternoon. May I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation.
Great. May I have your name, please?
My name is Victor Ruiz.
Thank you. One moment. I am sorry. I do not see your name.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes. May I see your confirmation email?
Yes, one moment. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me look. This says City Star Hotel.
Oh, this is not City Star?
No, this is Greenleaf Hotel.
Oh, I did not know. I am sorry.
No problem at all.
Do you know where City Star is?
Yes, it is close. Only 2 streets away.
Can I walk there?
Yes, just turn right and walk straight.
Is it far in the rain?
No, only 5 minutes. Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I have one in my bag.
That is good. Would you like a map?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Here you are. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Finding a lost toy at the park.
Anna, look at this bench.
What is there, Jorge?
There's a toy here.
Oh, it is a small car.
Do you see anyone close?
No, I do not see a child now.
Maybe someone lost it.
It looks clean and new.
Maybe a child will come back.
Should we just leave it here?
I am not sure. Someone may take it.
Or we could ask around.
Do you want to ask the people there?
Yes, I will talk to them.
I can hold the toy for now.
Let us walk over slowly.
No one seems to know this toy.
Maybe we should leave it on the bench.
Or should we give it to the park office?
That is a good idea.
Yes, I think the office is close.
Let us go there together.
Look, there is a woman with a child running this way.
She looks worried. Maybe it is her toy.
Let us show them the toy.
Excuse me, is this yours?
The child is smiling now.
I am glad we waited.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you too. Have a nice day.
Asking for help in the library.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I am looking for a book.
What is the title?
It is called Simple Life.
Who is the author?
The author is Lisa Brown.
Let me check our system.
Thank you. I cannot find it.
I see it is here now.
Where can I find it?
It is in section C.
Is that downstairs?
No, it is right over there.
Near the windows?
Yes, next to the big window.
Thank you. Can you show me?
Yes, I can walk with you.
I do not visit here often.
That is okay. It is a big library.
I always get lost here.
Many people say that too.
Do you read many books?
Yes, I like to read every day.
Yes, I like that book a lot. That is great. I want to read it now.
Here it is. Enjoy your reading.
Thank you so much.
Looking for a restaurant with outdoor seating.
I feel hungry now.
Me too, Sarah.
Do you want to eat outside?
Yes, I like sitting outside.
Which place has outdoor tables?
I see some tables there.
That place looks busy.
Let us walk a bit more.
Do you mind walking?
I do not mind. It is a nice evening.
Look, this cafe has chairs outside.
Are there any free tables?
I see only 2 tables and both are full.
Let us try the next street.
Do you know any other places?
Yes, I remember a bistro around the corner.
Does it have outdoor seating?
I think so, but I am not sure.
I hope it is not full too.
Let us check it now.
There it is. Can you see any tables?
Yes, there is one free table outside.
Great, let us take it.
I am so glad we found a spot.
Me too. I love the fresh air.
This is a perfect evening.
Thank you for walking with me.
Thank you for the idea, Sarah.